I'm going to show you guys how you can animate and create a 3D city inside of After Effects without plugin, so you won't need 3D elements. So the first thing you'll have to do is simply go into the Sketchfab website. You're going to search for a 3D model of a city, so simply do that. Now you're going to see a bunch of cities right there. You're simply going to search for the one that you like and make sure it's free to download too. So I found this 3D model right there. I like it a lot. It has a lot of details, and therefore I'm going to download it. Scroll down a bit, click on download 3D model, then simply go ahead and download the GLB version. I'm going to download the 1K version, and once this is done, you're going to have to search for a sky dome. So simply write that up, and I'm going to pick this one right there. It's going to make our sky and make it into 3D. I'll explain everything later. Simply scroll down and download it in GLB also. Now once that you're in your After Effects project, what you're gonna have to do is simply open your folders, and you're gonna have to import your city first. Click on OK, and 3D models inside of After Effects require you to have the advanced 3D renderer, so make sure this is activated. And as you can see, our city got imported, so what I'm gonna do is simply position it how I want it to be. So I'm gonna position it like so. And now I'm going to simply import my sky dome. Click on OK. And as you can see, it added some grass. Just put it down so we can't see it like that, and scale it up. Now I think we're all good like that. And now we're going to simply add a 3D camera. So I'm going to use 3D Pro to add it. Like that. If you guys wonder where I get this plugin from, I created it. The link will be in the description, or you can add your 3D camera manually. It's up to you. And as you can see, if I move the camera, I got the whole city that I can control, like so. So I'm simply gonna position my camera in a way that I like it. I'm gonna position it right there, and what I'm gonna do is simply a slight animation like this. All right, and then I'm gonna pick up a null, do the same. Okay, I'm just doing a simple animation, so you could do whatever type of animation you want. Okay, that's a simple animation, nothing too crazy, so I'm just gonna do that like that. That's how it looks. Okay, the animation is decent, I like it, but the only thing missing is a good lighting. Like really, the whole city is plain, it doesn't look good at all. So in order to fix all that, so what you're gonna have to do is simply go ahead and click right there, click on new, and click on light. Now make sure to put an ambient light, and I'd like to put it at dark blue like that. Then click on OK, and you can also put the intensity down if you want so. I'm going to do that like that. Now what I'm going to do is simply add some spotlights. Click on right there, click on new, click on light. Go ahead and click on spot. Then just play around with your settings. Make sure to make the radius up, the cone feather up, cone angle up, and the intensity up. Click on OK. And now you can still adjust the intensity a little bit more. Like that. Now what you're gonna have to do with this is simply position the light all across your scene. So I'm gonna do just I'm simply gonna turn the radius all the way up like that, so have a good lighting perspective. Alright, and I'm gonna turn down the intensity to make everything even. Okay, you could still add a lot more lights if you want to, like you could add lights to the lamps and everything, but these are just the details, so I'm gonna stick to the basic right now. You can see if I start playing my animation, I got the whole animation of the 3D city. You could add anything to it, to be honest. Like you could add your 3D character, you could add whatever your imagination pleases. And what I like to do is simply select everything, pre-comp all of the layers, and add a VHS filter to it all. It just makes it look better, and it just adds a cool vintage look that I like. And yeah, if you guys like this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. guys want to see more tutorials like this, don't hesitate to watch this video right there. I'll see you guys later.